Hi everyone, Plaintiffs Attorney Jonathan Hilton here, continuing our series for new attorneys on Complaint Drafting 101. Quick introduction to who we are. We are plaintiffs attorneys who write briefs for other plaintiffs attorneys typically, so we provide bespoke briefs for your most challenging legal issues. Okay, with that, today guys, I want to show you how to use styles in Microsoft Word when you're using a complaint. So, what is styles? Okay, if you are here at the home screen in Microsoft Word, you'll see this styles pane right here. And if you look, I find it easier. There's a little button you can push, just like this, and it'll pull up all of your styles along the side. Okay, so to kind of show you how cool this is, let's just say, that you just had, blah, 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 blah. You're just typing some text, and let's say that it doesn't even have these numbered paragraphs here. Well, let's say that you were just like in a client meeting, you were jotting down notes on your computer or laptop, you paste it into the complaint. For each one of the paragraphs, you can do this. If you have styles set up properly, if I hit this, boom, they become the numbered paragraphs, and they keep in the same order with the rest of the paragraphs. So, okay. So what does styles allow you to do? Well, let's say that you've copied and pasted something in from another program and it's completely messed up. Let's say that you copied in, a case citation and it looks like, John versus Smith, blah, 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 something like this. And then let's say that the fonts, of course, get all wacky and messed up. This comes in as the wrong font and it's too big and, it's highlighted and, whatever. Let's say, the text is blue or whatever. You can take it, you can select it. I have to be careful to select that all. If you go back and let's say that I've got something here that works, boom. Well, okay, it didn't get rid of the highlighting, but it got rid of a lot of that. So it can help you out a lot with your formatting as you go. So if you take a look, the styles that you have over here, Microsoft Word has a lot of default styles, and they're not going to be helpful to you when you are writing a complaint. So if you don't have a template that you're using that already has some of these features built in, then you're going to need to just go ahead and make some. So go ahead and get the first one, the first number of paragraph, how you like it. So you have this, it's an automatic number right here. You've typed it out. If you are somebody who likes to have all of your complaints, if you do them all this way, where the number is out here, probably looks better if you bringing it. But if you're somebody who does all of it this way, then what you do, you go ahead and get it how you like it. And then you're going to go down here on this styles panel and you're going to click the little A+ to create a new style. So I'm going to call this complaint paragraph, maybe, I don't know, left align or something. I don't know what to call it, but I'll call it this. And then you want to make sure that you get it exactly how you want it. And then you're going to go over with your cursor here to where it says complaint paragraph left align. And then you're going to say update to match selection. Okay? So it's like that. Now, let's say that I had all of these paragraphs that are in this style, which is a style that let's say that's not the style that I want. Okay, I'm going to go through and I'll just select it and I'll hit complaint paragraph left align. And boom, takes it like that. So if you go through and you do it all, you can make them all like that. Okay, you can create your own style for your headings. If you want all of your headings to look the same, I use a lot of block quotes in mine, so I have a style here that's like this that I call complaint quote. And so let's say that I just had it, let's say that this was a paragraph, but what I really wanted to do was to make it a block quote. Well, I can just switch, boom, immediately like that. It's going to change to a block quote. Same thing for this. I have one that I use to keep A and B together. I'm going to go here, and I have a complaint paragraph, and I usually have a complaint sub-paragraph too. So let's say that this one was like this, but what I really want to do is make it a sub-paragraph. I just click that. And the way that you make all of these is that, like here, I'll show you one here. Like let's say that I just want to take this and I want to make this I want all of my headings to look like that. Just going to do one here. I'll just call it complaint heading. Click OK, and then scroll over what it is that I want. I'll go here and then just update, and then boom. So let's say that I want to just make this one actually a heading. I'll go complaint heading, boom. If I want to change it back, all I have to do is change it back to complaint paragraph, and it keeps everything nice and in order. Notice that none of my paragraphs have jumped out of order yet. So that is how you use styles. If you're not using styles, you should be using styles. And if you need to get a template, just send me an email. I'll put my email in the space below the video, and you can just email me. I'm happy to send you a stock complaint that just has some of these styles built in. But remember, in order to use this, in order to use it well, what you have to do, you have to be on the home page. And I wouldn't flip around, like don't use the defaults with Microsoft Word or whatever. They look ugly, they're not going to work. But if you click here, then you got something in a weird font. You can go here, you can hit complaint paragraph, and boom, suddenly you're back. All right, thank you guys.